If you've never created an ePortfolio before, click the Create button with a little sign plus next to it, located under the header of the page at the top right of the My ePortfolios box. This will allow you to create an ePortfolio. Once your ePortfolio is created, you can always change it by going to the Portfolio Tools tab located at the top right of the page and then Settings to change the settings of your ePortfolio. When creating your ePortfolio, you can title your ePortfolio, choose a template for your ePortfolio. Templates are created by Digication or your school to help you create your ePortfolio quickly and easily. You choose this depending on what you're using your ePortfolio for. Certain classes already have templates made up and can be found by clicking the More Templates button on the corner of Choose a Template section right here. You would then search your course in this box. Here they are. You can also create an ePortfolio from scratch. This will leave you with a basically blank ePortfolio for you to build yourself. In most cases, you will choose a default template called Manhattanville College Portfolio System, which has pages and tabs already programmed in. The Manhattanville College Portfolio System template is used for the sophomore and senior submission and is also widely used for the freshman essay. You can also create your own ePortfolio from scratch. After this, you have to choose a theme. Keep the box labeled Use Selected Template Theme checked and move on to the next section. Now, when choosing permissions, if you click Private to Me, it makes your ePortfolio viewable only by you. Private within Manhattanville makes your ePortfolio viewable by others in Manhattanville College, such as faculty and students that are using ePortfolio. Making your ePortfolio public makes it viewable by anyone who searches for it on the internet. Now, let's just click Private to Me, and in Custom Permissions, you will be able to type in the names of other ePortfolio users whom you specifically want to see your ePortfolio. You can also change the status of these users to make them viewers, editors, publishers, or administration for your ePortfolio. Keep in mind, viewers can only view your ePortfolio. Editors can edit but not publish. Publishers can edit and publish, and administration can edit portfolio settings, including adding and removing users, editing and publishing your ePortfolio as well. When your ePortfolio is private, you can also choose whether or not you want it to be shown in the directory or not by clicking or unclicking the box next to Show ePortfolio and Directory. This will allow your ePortfolio to appear in a list of searchable ePortfolios at your school and will allow people with the appropriate permission to see your ePortfolio. Let's search for someone. You type in the name, then click on the person. Make sure it has the role you want them to have. The tags are keywords that you or others who have access to your ePortfolio can assign to the ePortfolio pages. Tags make it easier to find individual pages of the ePortfolio in searches. You can turn tagging on or off at any time. In the Change Permissions for Comments, you can choose who you want to allow comments from. In this case, click Registered Users. If you choose Show Comments Immediately, This would mean that the comments would show up on your ePortfolio immediately without your permission. If you click Do Not Show Comments until they have been approved, this allows you to approve or deny comments before they show up on your ePortfolio. And Do Not Show Comments to Viewers blocks all comments. So, we prefer to use Do Not Show Comments until they have been approved. Then always click Apply Comment Setting to existing pages of ePortfolio. After this, just click on Create New ePortfolio. And just like that, you've created an ePortfolio. If you have questions on how to use ePortfolio for teaching and learning, contact our eTurn team at 914-323-1318.